Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to use a page template on SharePoint step by step. I'll be working on the web version of SharePoint. First, open your browser and navigate to the SharePoint site where you want to create your page. You should see the site homepage with a plus new button at the top. Click on the plus new button, then select Page from the drop-down menu. This opens the template gallery on the right side of your screen. Browse through the templates displayed in the gallery. You'll see different tabs, including one called Saved on this site, which shows any custom templates specific to your site. Once you've found the template you want to use, click on it to select it. The template will be highlighted when it's selected. Now, click the Create Page button at the bottom of the template area. The page opens in edit mode with all the template's layout, web parts, and sections already in place. At the top of the page, you'll see a field that says Add a Title. Click in that field and type your page name. Now, you can customize the content however you need. Add your own text, images, or other content by editing the existing web parts or adding new ones. You can move web parts around, delete sections you don't need, or add new sections. The toolbox on the right side gives you access to all available web parts you can drag onto the page. Any changes you make here won't affect the original template, so you can adjust it to fit your needs. When you're done editing, click Save and Close at the top of the page. This saves your page as a draft. A couple of important things to remember. Your saved page is a draft at this point, which means only you can see it. When you're ready for others to view it, you'll need to click the Publish button to make it visible to everyone with access to your site. Also worth noting that page templates are specific to each site, so if you create a template on one site, you can't use it on a different SharePoint site. And that's how to use a page template on SharePoint. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.